Hey, I'm Marie, just here to tell you about Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center, excuse me. Fat is what I lost, so feels great. Um, uh, the program was really not as difficult as I thought it might be when I first started. It's eating the food that I have eaten my whole life. You just ignore a lot of the stuff you got into a bad habit of eating, like a lot of cream cheese dips and stuff like that. But the things you're eating are whole foods, lean protein, lots of veggies, lots of fruit. If you don't like a lot of fruit, you might want to try them again because fruit actually tastes good. There's some fruit that tastes like candy after a couple weeks into the diet, so that's great. I feel wonderful. I have all sorts of energy. I have all sorts of um, uh, I don't know, I feel better. My aches and pains that I used to have when I was working out on the treadmill, my knee would hurt, the shoulder would hurt, or whatever, it's gone. I don't feel it anymore. I lost 21 pounds in 41 days, and I haven't added up all the inches, but trust me, there were lots of them. And I would definitely tell my friends to do this if they were struggling, and or even if they weren't. Why struggle? Just do it. It's amazing. Thanks.